B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. Find the value of this. X2 minus 1 Y2 minus Y1 is minus 1, Z2 minus Z1, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 and C2. So we get minus 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2, 2 3 1, 5 1 and 0. Minus 2, 3 1 1 0, minus 3, 2 5 1 0 plus 2, 2 5 3 1. Solve the equation. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 5, 2 minus 15. Minus minus plus 2, minus minus plus 15, minus 13 into 2. 17 minus 26 minus 9. That is not equals to 0. Therefore, the given lines do not intersect. Because this is in the Cartesian form, so we can directly use this formula. If this equal to 0, then these lines intersect, otherwise they do not intersect. Find the shortest distance between the line whose vector equations are r vector is I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Second equation is r vector is 2i plus 4j plus 5k plus mu 4i plus 6j plus 8k. Now these are the given equations of the form r vector is equals to a vector plus lambda b1, a2 vector plus mu b2. From here if we take 2 common, so 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Two lines are parallel if their b vector is same. Now this is only the difference is on the constant term. If all other coefficients are same, then these two lines are parallel. Now instead of 2 mu, if we write it as mu dash, then the b vector is same in both the cases. So this is of the form a2 plus mu, b2 vector is b1 vector. b1 vector is equals to b2 vector here. So these are parallel lines. Now what is the formula for finding the distance between two parallel lines is a2 minus a1 dot b vector upon magnitude of b vector. This is the formula. a2 minus a1 cross b vector upon magnitude of b vector. Now a2 minus a1, 2i plus 4j plus 5k minus I plus 2j plus 3k. 2i minus I, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3. Now a2 vector minus a1 vector cross b vector I cap j k 1 2 2. B vector is 2 3 and 4. Now solve this. 4 into 2 8 minus 6 plus j vector 4 minus 4 plus k vector 3 minus 4. So what we get? 8 minus 6 is 2, 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now magnitude of this a2 minus a1 cross b vector 2 square 0 square minus 1 square. Now magnitude of b vector. B vector is 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. 29. So we get the shortest distance as square root of 5 upon square root of 29. So square root of 5 by 29 units. So अगर हमारे पास b वेक्टर कुछ भी टर्म कॉमन लेने पे सेम हो जाता है, it means these two lines are parallel. And if the lines are parallel, then the distance, shortest distance between these two lines product upon magnitude of B vector. So this is all about the straight lines. In the next class we will discuss about the next topic of the three-dimensional, that is plane. Note it down.